pack a 3 scoops order. For 3 scoops, I'm giving 3 extra gifts. The first one is this cute capybara. The second is this adorable little bat. And the third is this fun cat lunchbox. Let's start. 4 games. Five keychains. Two color pens. 2 mirrors. 3 beautiful pens. 3 hairbands. 2 highlighters. 2 cute pens. 1 squishy. 1 hair tie. 2 bracelets. 1 mini notebook. 1 mini squishy. 1 puzzle. 1 building block. 1 pencil set. 1 hair clip. 1 sleep mask. 1 corrector. 1 zipper pouch. 1 Halloween item. 1 nail file. 1 sticker notes. 1 phone chain. I hope you enjoyed everything. Come and join our lucky scoop at Mimolin.